Scenic views, snow-tipped mountains, captivating landscapes and monasteries. This is what Ladakh is all about. But there is more to it. Ice hockey has been stealing the limelight in Ladakh, which is more than a sport. It is part of its culture and identity. We get you a special report by DD India's Abhishek Mahajan.
The footsteps of ice hockey in Ladakh can be tracked to as far back as the 1970s, with the sport initially restricted largely to army officers deployed in the region. But once players from strong ice hockey nations started coming to Ladakh for high altitude training, the locals also started taking the sport more seriously. Cut to 2025, many players of Ladakh are part of the Indian national ice hockey team.
When you say ice hockey, Ladakh comes automatically to everyone's mind. So I think every youth, every single kid is playing hockey these days. You come to Ladakh, the first thing you ask a kid at the airport, hey, what do you do? The first thing he'll say is, I play hockey. Every single kid is playing hockey here, and I think every parent is supportive, because I think this is a sport where Ladakhis are a bit, ahead of the rest of the states in India, and I think everyone is doing good. We are not at zero, we are somewhere, and we want to take it to the next level.
In Ladakh, the skating culture began when the local population started using the frozen ponds and lakes in winters to skate for fun, until they grew up to know about ice skating and eventually ice hockey. Some of those who could afford it, they ordered blades from Chandigarh and attached it to sole of the army shoes. They initially started playing with the normal field hockey sticks. For the puck, they first used a round ball.
Almost every kid in Ladakh is fond of hockey or skating. So now, because of those tournaments and because of such tournaments like Khelo India, a great initiative by the government of India, it has given lots of opportunities for these people to come up at this stage and show their talents. So this is a huge thing that we get so many players coming up and able to compete at that level. So this will definitely help all the players to get to that level where as an Indian hockey team we aspire to.
The sport has been growing, and that too at a faster rate. Cherry on the cake, ice hockey has also been declared as an official sport of UT of Ladakh.
मैं आज इस मंच से आइस हॉकी को यूटी लद्दाख का गेम डिक्लेयर करता हूं। यूटी लद्दाख का जो ऑफिशियल गेम होगा वो आइस हॉकी होगी, ये हमारा डिक्लेरेशन है।
Things are changing to the extent that 2 new all-weather Olympic-size hockey rinks are also in the pipeline in Leh and Kargil.
The ultimate aim and dream is getting a medal at the Winter Olympics, and the way ice hockey is growing and gaining momentum, the dream should soon turn into a reality. With cameraman Shubham Sharma, this is Abhishek Mahajan in Leh for DD India.